If you had $0 today, no savings, no business, no experience, how would you start making money in 2026? Most people think they need capital to build income, but artificial intelligence has changed that. In this video, I'll show you 5 AI income ideas you can start with zero money. No hype, no unrealistic claims, just practical systems beginners can actually execute. Welcome to AI Income Systems. This channel focuses on structured, beginner-friendly ways to build online income using artificial intelligence tools. If your goal is to create real income, not chase trends, you're in the right place. Let's start with idea number 1. Number 1. AI freelance writing. Businesses constantly need content. Blog posts, website copy, product descriptions, email newsletters, and most small businesses do not have time to write it. You can use ChatGPT to outline blog articles, generate first drafts, rewrite and improve clarity, create SEO-optimized content. Your job is not to copy and paste. Your job is to edit, improve, and deliver quality work. Start on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Begin with competitive pricing. Focus on one niche: real estate, fitness, e-commerce. Once you get reviews, raise your prices. This model requires skill, but zero financial investment. Number 2. AI digital producers. Digital products are one of the highest margin online businesses. No inventory, no shipping, no storage costs. You can create ebooks, study guides, checklists, Notion templates, resume templates, budget planners. Use AI to generate outlines, create structured content, improve readability, research topics, then design simple covers using AI image tools. Sell on Etsy, Gumroad, Stan Store. One product can sell repeatedly. That's scalable income. Number 3. Print on demand with AI. Print on demand removes inventory risk. You create designs, the platform prints and ships. Use AI image generators to create motivational quotes, niche humor designs, pet-themed art, minimalist graphics. Upload designs to you pay nothing upfront. When someone buys, the platform handles fulfillment. This model requires testing, but it scales over time. Number 4. Faceless YouTube channels are growing rapidly. You can use AI for script writing, voice generation, visual generation, video editing assistance. Focus on searchable topics, educational content, high CPM niches. Over time, this becomes a digital asset. It can generate ad revenue, affiliate income. Digital product sales. This model takes time, but has long-term potential. If you're starting from zero, start simple, start focused, stay consistent. Subscribe for structured AI income systems designed for beginners.